Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
May music man, Bek. May music man. Savoy. Meron pala sila nga ganito. Ay, tingnan mo to. Shin. Beef brownie. Try nga ako nito. Kaso lang. Bebe! Alam mo, gusto ko kumain nito. Kaso lang ano ako. Ay, ito yung mild lang. Ito yung gin ramen, oh. Kaso lang, alam mo, hindi talaga ako makain ng mga ganyan, guys. Kasi masyadong mataas sa ano kasi yan eh, yung preservative. Pero alam mo, sarap yan. Ito, tingnan mo, potato ramen, guys. Oh. Wala. Yan, oh. Potato ramen. Beng! I want to try this one. Oh, beef bone broth. Try ko kaya ito. Yeah. Look at this one, baby. Potato ramen. This is the one that Brother Rolex favorite. Remember, we bought that.
It's not spicy?
A little spicy, I think. Ayun, a little spicy.
No, but all of them says spicy.
Huh?
All of these says spicy.
Ah, so maybe it's the same thing. It's not really. This one I already tried this one. Ay, this one, oh. Ayan, oh, ramen BG's. Ayan. I want to try this one, baby. One lang. I don't like to eat noodles like that because there's a lot of preservative.
Ghost pepper. Oh my god.
I don't like to eat
Ghost
like
pepper
that.
so much.
My guy, you know. So what is here?
Go back.
Huh?
Check out all of this.
Ay, hey, huh? Ay, look at the slipper. Ay, cute.
What, for you?
Hello. So cute.
You want to take one?
No. Hey, baby, this is for the chair, oh. A cover. It's so cute. Yeah. Ang dami nilang mga tinda nila dito, guys. Oh. This is Kimchi Mart, guys. This is Korean, Korean store. Ay, hala, kutsilyo, oh. Kano to? Made in Korea. Ay ko kaya ito. Kasi yung kutsilyo namin doon, ng talas eh. Ito yung mga sauce nila, guys. Saan ba yung... Ito na. That's the kimchi. Yeah. Hala, you have here pala, oh, seaweed. This is good too.
What, you eat that?
Yeah. Seaweed. I have tofu silken, oh.
Yeah, you don't want this?
No, baby. It's okay. $2.99. I like this one. The soft. I want to make a taho. A taho, guys. Silang ano dito ng mga gulay na dito. $1.49 each. Ang mahal naman na sa bulas nila dito, guys. Hala. We have mushroom, Bing Bing. We have mushroom. We have mushroom. Ay, ito. Mahal naman ang mushroom nila, be. $5. Togi. Buldak. Hala, topoki, oh. Masarap ito, guys. Yeah, rice cake. Naalala ko. Brother Rolex, naalala na naman kita. Cheese maru sandwich.